Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. Today we're going to do our man can unboxing for the month. I apologize, we're a little bit late on the EDC box. We did a run of custom knives, so this video is probably popping up a little bit later than it should. But yeah, we're going to dive into it here. Man Cans is a mystery box that we sell every single month. And basically you pre-order the box and it's available in 3 different tiers. There's a standard tier, a man-up tier, and what we call a mega man-up tier. All right, and the way those tiers work is when you buy the more expensive tier, you get all of the items in the previous box as well. So it's sort of a tiered system, and it's a way that you can directly support the YouTube channel. All right, all the funds we earn off of Man Cans go right back into supporting the content, putting out videos, making things happen. So if you love the content and you love what we do, purchasing a Man Can is a very direct way to support us, as well as t-shirts over on Ballistics Inc. I know a lot of you are Patreons, and I just want to say before we unbox, thank you guys so much for the support. It means so much to me and my family. It means so much to us as a channel, and you are directly responsible for the viewership that your fellow viewers get to have by helping us put this content out. You guys are directly invested in our content. Thank y'all so much, okay? The box that is currently being sold right now on the website, if you go over to the website, it's going to be our medical box, okay? Medical preparedness, medical supplies. We do a box like that typically about once a year. We get with Dietrich over at Skinny Medic, and he gives us a bunch of great suggestions, and we put a lot of really handy and useful medical items in the box. So that's the box that's being on pre-sold right now on the website. If you go over there, that's what you're going to see. And it's all useful stuff. 100% can be shipped anywhere in the world, no big deal. It's all medical supplies for that particular box. Now, the box that's going out right now that we're doing the unboxing on is our EDC box, okay? The box that is about to go out is our survival box. Now, I don't have those items here to show you, but I will say that I saw a lot of the items going into the box, and the survival box is going to be awesome. You guys are going to love it, and I can't wait to get it in your hands. So typically each year we do, a couple of different themes throughout the year, okay? And each month is typically a different theme. So the theme that's for sale right now is the medical. Survival will be going out here in a couple of weeks. Check your invoice, to see which box you got. So your survival box will be going out here, like I said, in a few weeks. And the one that's going out now is EDC. So let's dive into it. Now, what we were able to do with EDC this month, actually this year, I guess you could call it, but for our EDC box that went out, we were able to put a knife in every box, which was so cool. So let's dive into the regular Man Can. So the regular, you got this gray knife, okay? This little Browning folder. All right, that's cool. All right, turned out really nice. Assisted opening. Okay, so we did the gray Browning folder. We did a phone wallet, okay? Now these we had made, and what this does is it attaches to your phone and allows you to put like just a couple of basic things, and it is RFID protected, so nobody can like scan it and steal your information. But a lot of folks, especially in the summer, you have like minimalist clothing on, right? You guys are going to the beach, hanging out. Well, what are you always going to have with you, right? You're always going to have your phone with you, right? All the time. So this attaches to your phone and allows you to keep like your credit card and maybe your ID and things like that. So it's a very minimalist type setup that you can have with your phone, okay? So we did a phone wallet, all right, for when the phone goes dead, which it happens, you're out at the beach or you're somewhere at a concert or whatever hanging out, your phone goes dead. We did a micro USB charging device, okay? So we did a power bank. All right, that power bank's got our logo on it, which is cool. And shameless plug, I'm sorry, I'm wearing like my logo on everything. We just got done cutting a bunch of gun gripes, so I'm sorry if I look a little Billy Mays in this video, like ding, you know what I mean? But you can just hook up any USB phone cable to this and charge your phone, which is really nice. Gives you some extra power. And we did a key bar discount card, which miraculously is actually up. Is that it? No, it's not. All right, I don't have the key bar discount card, but we put for a key bar, we put a discount card in all of the boxes for them, okay? I don't have a picture of that, but you guys will receive a discount card. All right, the Man Up can, you get, now what we did is, you don't get the same knife for every box. We did a different knife for every box, a little bit higher quality as we went along. So you don't get the gray knife if you bought a Man Up, but you get a Kershaw. All right, let's look at this one. All right, so for the Man Up, we went with this Kershaw folder. That's a lock back, really slick little knife, very smooth mechanism, and from a nice trusted brand. You know, a lot of people like Kershaws. So we did this little Kershaw, and in the Man Up, you get the phone wallet, you get the power bank, and we did a little backpack, all right, with our logo on it. And it's a really, really simple, small, minuscule little backpack, and this is just meant to just sort of grab and go. And the intended purpose of a little bag like this is to not look really, you know, tactical. We wanted it to look really plain and really simple, something that you can just throw on a pair of shorts, grab your phone with your RFID phone wallet on there, your charger, you know, maybe put gun and mags and a water bottle in here and kind of go about your business and not look, you know, super tactical Ted. So that's what we did for that. For the Mega Man Up, we did, all right, now this was actually the knife that we were waiting on, was for the Mega. And in this box, you know, all of these boxes, we were really focusing on quality over quantity and usefulness, right? We wanted you guys to have useful stuff. So this is a custom folder that we did for the Mega Man Up can. We actually, this D2 tool steel blade, roller ball bearing mechanism, really strong lock mechanism, a good belt clip on this. And these knives, we actually retail for $100 by themselves. So if you bought a man can and paid $100 for the man can, you got all this other stuff basically for free. So that's the way we kind of treat that. But we do retail these for 99 bucks. All right. And we did a PowerTac E20. This is a great flashlight. We've used quite a few of them, and we've gone through quite a few of them, and they're great. They are rechargeable, and it's just meant to be about a 1200 lumen EDC flashlight. So if you bought the Mega, you got the custom knife, and I apologize again, guys. That's what we were waiting on, was the custom. It got stuck in customs, oddly enough. So, and then the PowerTac light, the power bank, the RFID phone wallet, as well as the key bar card and the backpack. So that's what you got on the Mega can. So guys, thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed this can, and we hope you guys enjoy the content and the videos. We work really hard to take care of you guys. Thank you so much for the support. It means so much to me and my family, and we are working very hard to put out content for you guys, sometimes 12 and 14 hours a day to put out this content. I know Chad puts in a heck of a lot of editing time. The funds we earn off of these boxes go right into supporting the channel, right into making payroll, paying for ammo, paying for everything. So you guys help bankroll what we do here on the channel, and you're a direct part of that. So thank you so much for being a part of my channel, literally a part of my channel, and for thinking about your fellow viewers. And if you see value in what we do, ManCans is a great way to financially contribute to the channel. So thank you guys very much. Many, many more videos on the way. I can't wait to make them for you. We'll see you next time. Thanks.